Welcome to my newest listing, 711 Birdsong Lane in the beautiful island of Siesta Key, Florida. This spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is located just 1 mile to Siesta Key Beach, world-renowned for its turquoise waters and quartz sand. Situated on an elevated lot, this home suffered no water intrusion in recent storms and has a brand new roof, offering both coastal luxury and peace of mind. Contact me directly for more information and to schedule your private tour.